Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a text input block in your Shopify store. You might have seen some online stores uses this kind of text input blocks in many places. So I'll be showing how you can create this kind of blocks in your online store. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app for this customization, and this is easily available or it can be downloaded from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box so you can check it out. After installation, go to the admin panel and click on blog section. A quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. And click on create new block. There are some default templates showing up here. We can either go to this and use the template, otherwise you can close it and click on add block. And you have to select for the text input block. Now you can see this and click on add to checkout block. And first thing, you have to give a proper block name. I'm just giving text input block as the block name, and it should be a meaningful one so that you can just easily identify this from your list of blocks. And if you have any conditional visibility, enable this and click on add new visibility condition. There are multiple conditions showing up here and you can choose any, and what happens then is the block will be available only when the given condition is met. Otherwise you can just disable this, then the block will be available in the checkout page always. And click on input text and give the label. Let's give like delivery instructions to the driver or something like that. And if it is a required field, then you can give yes, and you can give the attribute value to store anywhere. I'm just giving delivery as the attribute value, and the pattern also. If you have any validation rule like the field should contains only letters or numbers, then you can give the pattern regex. Or the error message also you can give like please enter a valid data. If the pattern is not matching, then the error message showing like that. And after adding the details, make sure that the status is active and go for saving it. After saving, you can see the block ID here, and let's copy this and open the checkout editor page. Now you can click on custom block and you can add the custom block to the checkout. Then they will be asking some block ID which we have copied earlier. So you can paste the block ID here. Then you can see that the custom block has been created on top of this checkout page. Now you can just move this block to anywhere else. Let's move this to the delivery option so that this is the this is the proper area to place this. So you can see that the delivery instructions to the driver, and you can give any instruction here as the text or letters. So let's save it. Now let's test this up in our online store. Now land on the checkout page. Yeah, you can see the delivery instruction and you can type anything here. So that's how you can create a message or the text input block in your checkout page. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.